Hello friends, here is how you can wear a saree in the simple style for party. Here we have chosen red yellow color saree and blouse. To wear simple style saree here, you must wear a petticoat of matching blouse. Keep in mind that you should tie the petticoat just below the navel. To wear the saree equally, you should wear the saree only by wearing high sandals. Take the edge of the saree and wrap it around your waist. Tie a firm knot at the center of your waist. Press the saree tightly around the waist, as shown in the video. Now let the saree hang down to make a pleat. Now take the shorter side of the saree and make firm pleats. Now start making plaits in the saree. The plait of the saree enhances the depth and beauty of your navel. Make the plait equal from bottom to top, as shown in the video. Tuck one edge of the pleats at the back by bringing it between the legs. The rest of the width will be placed over the left side and the last pleat you need to tuck at the front. Now arrange the saree again from the front and take them at the back between the legs. Now tuck the border edge at the back and bring the rest of the saree to the front. Women of all ages can wear this saree. Seen in the video, you can easily wear the saree. Don't forget to like the video. Place pallu over your left shoulder across the front from the right and tuck at the waist. Make sure that the borders on the right and left side of the saree should be of the same length. You can also pin the plait over the blouse for a romantic look. It's relaxing enough for all that romance. The saree is very soft. To complete your look, do not forget to wear mantikka. It flaunts the entire look of your saree. Also, you must go for heavy earrings such as jhumkas and chanbalas. They go very well with these South Indian sarees. Go easy with makeup and adorn your neck with an elegant necklace. For a modern look, you can wear a kamarband also. Now you will look beautiful in saree.